what the fuck you want to drink?
What if I'm not thirsty?
We're here live with the protest leader. Why were you protesting?
Mitt Romney had our votes. Then Obama came in and stole half of them. I was so pissed.
You didn't have to start a fight.
Did you hear me, bitch? I asked you what the fuck you wanted to drink.
I want a fucking beer. Damn.
Fortunately we have to leave. Bye.
Bye nigga. Here is your beer, bitch.
Thanks runs off without ping.